This is question 22. AK is an increasing sequence with AK less than AK plus 1 for all k. And each of the term AK is actually of the form 2 to the power of r plus 2 to the power of k plus 2 to the power of t, where 0 is less than or equal to r, less than s, less than t. Find the largest n such that an is less than 2020. Now we have to understand what is the meaning of this. So for A1, it will be 2 to the power of 0 plus 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 2. That is equals to 1, 2, and 4. This is 7. It will be a bit confusing if we list in this way, because if we are able to write as, this is actually 1, 1, 1 base 2. Based on this definition, AK can be written as a number in base 2, consists of 3 1 and some zeros. And what is 2020? We know that 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. 2 to the power of 11 is equals to 2048. 2020 is more than 2 to the power of 10. 2020 is less than 2020, not only more than 2 to the power of 10, but is more than 210 plus 29 plus 28. This is actually equals to 1, 1, 1, and 1, 2, 3. So 2020 is more than this number in base 2, which consists of 3 1 and 8 zeros. So let AK be a number in base 2 with 11 digits, consists of 3 1 and 8 0. So AK is of this form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Example, A4 is actually written as 1, 1, 1, 0, and the rest are zeros. This is A4. Number of AK will be just equals to all the permutation of 11 digits, where 3 of them are 1 and 8 of them are 0. The number of permutation will be equals to 11 factorial, 3 factorial, 8 factorial. And this is equals to 11, 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. 11 times 15, that is 165. So 165 is the number of question 22.